Okay, bila negatif dia semakin berkurang, daya tarikan photoelektron untuk pergi kepada anode pun berkurang. Jadi current dekat sini akan drop. Di mana current akan drop dengan satu nilai yang kita panggil dia sebagai I0. Okay, di mana waktu I0 ini bacaan voltmeter di sini adalah kosong. Sebab apa kosong? Sebab photoelektron ni akan pergi kepada anode bukan dengan daya tarikan anode tapi dengan sufficient energy dia untuk dia bergerak, means that berenang sendiri. Bukan daripada daya tarikan anode. Anode dah tak boleh tarik dia kuat dah. Okay, tapi masih ada lagi bacaan current lah, tapi current dah berkurang. At this I0, bacaan voltmeter adalah kosong. Okay, so dah bagi tahu kat sini lah. Even at zero voltage, there are still some photoelectron with sufficient energy reach the anode and the photoelectric current flow is I0. At this point, when I0 reach, so zero voltage yang berlaku. You akan nampak bacaan voltmeter tu kosong. Okay. So next, okay, as the potential of the anode become more negative, less photoelectron reach the anode, thus the photoelectric current drops until its value equal to 0. So ni berlaku bila? Okay, first kali sebelum you nak berlaku yang case ni, okay, kita alternate power supply. So power supply sekarang, cathode will be positive and then anode will be totally negative. So at this time, the potential of the anode is become more negative. Memang dah negatif lah. Last photoelectron reach the anode. Memang takkan berlaku lah, takkan pergilah. So sebab dia berlaku repel. Negatif dengan negatif mana boleh kan? So dia akan repel. And then bila repel, the photoelectric current, of course dia akan drop until the value is equal to 0. Sebab dah tak ada photoelectron yang akan reach pada anode, because dia punya terminal dah automatically negative. So repulsion berlaku. Repel between the anode and the photoelectron tu berlaku. So which the electric potential at this moment we call it as the stopping potential. Okay, yang kita panggil stopping potential VS berlaku bila? Berlaku bila kita dah alternate power supply di mana anode dah jadi totally negative, so repulsion of the photoelectron berlaku. So at this time bacaan voltmeter you adalah stopping potential. Dia akan ada satu nilai V. Okay, stopping potential is defined as the minimum value of negative voltage when there are no photoelectron reach the anode. So dah tak ada photoelectron reach the anode, bacaan voltmeter pada masa itu adalah stopping potential. Okay, so what relationship between potential energy and retarding voltage, or we call it as stopping potential. So U is equal to Kmax lah. Okay, U is equal to Kmax. So Kmax is equal to EVS. Is that elementary electron times with VS means stopping voltage. So equal to half MV maximum power of 2. Okay, this is how the graph of photoelectric effects represent by. Okay, you have terms of photoelectric current versus voltage. Okay, here we have IM we call it as saturation current. I0 is is that minimum current, and then we have a stopping potential VS. So kita tengok dekat saturation current. So saturation current ni berlaku bila masa the voltage becomes sufficiently large, the photoelectric current reach the maximum constant value, we call it as the saturation current. Di mana semua photoelectron dah pergi pada anode. Jadi waktu tu memang current you akan maksimum lah. And then at this moment, ada drop of current from I saturation kepada I0. Kenapa berlaku drop? Because nilai positive voltage is gradually decrease sebab dah terlampau banyak photoelectron yang reach pada anode kan. So at this time, bacaan photoelectric current akan berkurang. So daripada saturation tadi dia akan berkurang menjadi I0. So pada masa I0 ni kalau you perasan voltage you kosong. Okay, sebab tu dia kata even at zero voltage there is still some photoelectron with sufficient energy reach the anode and the photoelectric current flow is I0. Okay, nampak tak? Ni adalah before reversing the terminal, ni after reversing the terminal. Untuk dapatkan stopping potential, kita kena reversing terminal supply tu. Okay, kita kena reversing because cathode will be positive then anode will be totally negative. So at this moment, so the potential of the anode become more negative, less photoelectron reach the anode, thus the potential current drops until its value equal to 0. Okay, which of the electric potential at this moment is called a stopping voltage, di mana no photoelectron yang akan reach the anode lagi. Okay, so sampai stopping potential tak ada lagi lah photoelectron yang akan reach pada anode because nilai I dah kosong.